Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared very interesting problem for you. And here is a problem. The pedigree shows the inheritance of X-linked recessive trait. Assume the trait is completely penetrant. What is the probability that the female designated as 1 is a carrier for the trait? And second question, if the child indicated by question mark is a boy, what is the probability he will be affected by the trait? In order to solve this problem, we have to keep in mind that this is X-linked recessive trait. In order to find probability for this female to be heterozygous for this trait, we have to concentrate on this part of the pedigree. So her mother's phenotype is normal, her father's phenotype is normal. This gives us information that her father has one normal X chromosome and normal Y chromosome. But because her brother is affected, we can say that her brother has defective X chromosome and normal Y chromosome. And this defective X chromosome he got from his mother. So his mother have to have one defective chromosome and one normal chromosome. Because this is X-linked recessive genetic disorder, her mother having another normal X chromosome shows normal phenotype. So this chromosome has dominant allele, and red chromosome has recessive defective allele. And in order to find probability for this female to be affected, we have to build a simple Punnett square. We know that genotype of her mother is defective X chromosome and normal X chromosome, and genotype of her father is normal X and normal Y chromosome. So when we build a Punnett square, we can predict probability for this female to be affected with this recessive X-linked genetic disorder. So normal X chromosome from the father side, defective X chromosome from the mother side, normal X chromosome from the father side, and normal X chromosome from the mother side. And in this cell we have defective X chromosome from the mother side and normal Y chromosome from the father side, normal X chromosome from the mother side, and normal Y chromosome from the father side. As you see, 50% of the progeny would be females, and another 50% would be males. And 50% of the females would be normal, homozygous normal, and 50% of the females would be carriers. So as you see, we have probability for this female to be a carrier. Such probability would be 1/2. So this is going to be an answer to our first question. And second question, if the child indicated by question mark is a boy, what is the probability he will be affected by this trait? So let's put a square here, and now let's put genotype of his father. So his father have normal Y chromosome, because this is X-linked genetic disorder, recessive X-linked genetic disorder. So because his father affected, he have to have defective X chromosome. So now we have to find probability for this person to be affected. In order to solve this problem, we have to build another Punnett square. So his mother has 1/2 probability to be a carrier, and genotype of his father we know this is defective X chromosome and normal Y chromosome. So when we build a Punnett square, we can see probability for the progeny to be affected with this genetic disorder. So here we have two defective X chromosome. This means that this female would be affected, and here we have one defective X chromosome from the father side and one normal X chromosome from the mother side, defective X chromosome from the mother side and normal Y chromosome from the father side, and normal X chromosome from the mother side and normal Y chromosome from the father side. So because the question is about probability for the progeny to be affected with this genetic disorder, we are interested only in boys. And as you see, 50% of the boys would be affected with this genetic disorder. So once again, we do not take into account female side, only male side. And as you see, 50% of the males would be affected with this genetic disorder because 50% of the males would get defective X chromosome from the mother side. So probability for mother of this child to be heterozygous is 1/2. 1/2. And if she is heterozygous, there is 50% chances that she would give defective X chromosome and 50% chances that she would give normal X chromosome. And father only can give to the male progeny only normal Y chromosome. So if this person is male, he have to get one normal Y chromosome from his father's side and 1/2 chances, 50% chances that he would get defective X chromosome from the mother side and 50% chances that he's going to get normal X chromosome from the mother side. So the probability would be also 1/2, and we have to multiply these two probabilities because this is two independent probabilities. And as you see, probability for this child to be affected with this genetic disorder would be 1/4 or 25%. And this is our answer to the second question. And this is all for today. Thank you for attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. If you have any questions, problems that you cannot solve, you may post underneath any of my videos, and I will try to make a video and send you a link with solution of your problem. See you in the next video. Goodbye.